G'day everyone, Scott here from the Scale Model Supply with our new release show for February 2020. Now this month we are excited to release a further 6 colours into our premium range, expanding on our first release of the British AFV colours we started back in January. And now these ones are all based on the desert campaigns of World War II. So we have British Slate, British Silver Grey, British Light Stone, Portland Stone, Desert Pink ZI, and Light Purple Brown. Now the first 4 colours here are very important for those who paint the British AFVs, as they will notice straight away that they are the colours for the Contour scheme. Now the Contour scheme was a specific camo pattern believed to be created by Colonel Contour in the World War II. He's a part of the 4th Armoured Brigade of the British Armed Forces, and this was most often used in desert and Mediterranean campaigns by the British. Now the 3 main colours of this scheme were these 3 here, so your British Slate, your British Silver Grey and your Portland Stone. Now with the 4th colour, the British Light Stone, was sometimes switched out for the Portland Stone. Now, these are all available now. All 6 colours are available now through the SMS website, www.scalemodel.com.au, and they're also through stockist in the coming weeks. Now, without our stockist, our company would be nowhere near as large as it is today. So in this segment, we'd like to highlight a random stockist from our list and give them thanks. So in this episode, Andrew's Hobbies in Ravenhall, Melbourne, is our chosen stockist to highlight, and for a very special reason. Because you see, back in 2016, when the Scale Model Supply was just starting out, I personally approached both Andrew and Susie when they were in their old store in Deer Park with sample products of what I was working on. I showed them what I had, how it looked, how it worked. Thankfully for us, they agreed to begin stocking our products, becoming our very first stockist. They wind the clock forward 4 years, and they're at the new location in Newcombe Drive in Ravenhall, which is near the Bunnings in Caroline Springs on Ballarat Road. They continue to grow and flourish with a wide selection of model kits, tools, paints, consumables, as well as the infamous slot car track and drag strip. Once a month, usually on the 3rd Saturday of each month, we held a bill day there, where anyone and everyone is welcome, no matter the skill level, the subject choice, or whatever. Now this is something I personally attend, and I go there to hang out, talk paint with customers, and catch up with long-time friends. So outside of our own web store, Andrew's Hobbies has the largest range of our products in store anywhere in Australia at the time of this recording of this video, with about 99% of our products available in store. And from memory, the only things they don't stock at the moment is our books. They have everything else. And while we're at it, please don't forget to support your local store by purchasing your SMS products. We genuinely would be lost without the support of these stores that have the faith and confidence in our product range. So please, next time you're in buying kits, check out our products and maybe grab a bottle or 2. The full list of stockists is available on our website, and if your store doesn't carry our lines, tell them to get in contact with us. We'd love to talk with them. So that, folks, wraps up the updates for February 2020. Now, March isn't far away. We've got a hell of a lot of events coming up. Pretty much something every weekend during March. So remember to keep an eye on all our social media accounts, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, as well as our blog on our website for all the updates you need. And don't forget about our Facebook customer support group as well. We'd love to see you there and see what you're doing with our products. So once again, thank you all for your support, and remember, keep on modelling.